A big hello and welcome to all the planner moms, glam moms, and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for you. So today I'm coming on to you with my Sadie sticker planner and a couple of kits that I had picked up recently. It came within a month time. I had not received my Harriet Wright planner, so that was the main reason I had ordered this, and then that planner came. So I have been using my Harriet Wright for this year memory planning, and this planner would be used for my next year. I know there's a beautiful cover that I had picked up which is showing 2021. However, I can always remove this cover and buy the new cover in the end of the year when I buy from Sadie's again. I wait for like at least 6-7 kits to come that I really want to buy, and then I buy them most of the time. So maybe during Black Friday next I would be buying from Sadie's. During that time I might order the cover, or maybe before that as well. So this is the gold foil one that I had picked up, and this I would be using for next year. I'll quickly show you later, but first let me show you the two kits I picked up. So these are the two kits that I picked up. Again, you know, I've been only buying summer kits because in Qatar it's always summer, it's always sunny here. So I use Saskia 20 for this, and this is the foil. I love the silver foil and the decos. Next time I'm going to use Plan Mosh Plan because I wanted her freebie as well. I love I've used Saskia's a lot. I've used this is I think my 4th order. I've used Shante plans. I love hers as well, and I want to use Rachel and Plan Mosh plans next time. So this is called the July kit. This is a perfect July kit. Yeah, and here are some flamingos and coconut. For me, I like things which can be used throughout the year because here we don't have so many seasons, so I don't have to stick to that. And oh my god, Sadie sticker, the format is amazing. I used her kit, and I really didn't have to look for many other shops items because this kit is so well thought of. The boxes are so well thought of. These notched boxes, these what do you call these scalloped boxes, all these deco boxes. Even here she has given different shapes like scalloped here. Means all stunning. And look at this, look at the icons with this confetti foil. Oh my god, I love this format. I love Alicia's kit, and I'm telling you, I just wait for few kits to come together so I don't worry about, because otherwise it becomes too expensive for shipping. So when I will have a bunch, like around 6 or 7 kits, again I will do the shopping. That's the time I will buy the cover, because her kits, Pretty Pinko kits and the 2 little bees, these are the 3 of my staple sticker kit ladies that I would be buying. And Miss Plus Mia also, but I think for Miss Plus Mia I need to buy more boxes. She has stunning kits as well. So I think these 4 are my to-go shops for buying kits, foil kits. Is here, yeah. And here I have these 2 full boxes, lots of foiling, these layering goodies she gives. The foiling is like beautiful. Everything is beautiful. The flags, and this is the page. I love the way the palm trees look, and there's the washi page. Again, the half boxes. This also is so stunning. She has utilized the space as well very well. It's really a beautiful and her kits don't sell out also. I like that part. So it's like, you know, it's not that I will lose if I don't buy today, that I might never be able to buy it. I can always go back and buy it. And her new format really is a killer format. She does very creative, Alicia is. And again, these are all the decos, some frame boxes, Island Dream. Oh my god, this kit is stunning. Yeah, look at this beautiful setup. Maybe in winter when my father will be here with us, we'll go for a hotel stay. That's the time I'm going to have this kit put. Not winter, like he's coming July, August. When he comes, we will take him for a hotel stay. So he has a little change and of everything, you know. So that's the week I think I'll put this one. Look at all the foiled icons. It's not like 5 foiled icons. Very generous. And her shop always has 20% discount. You can use Saskia 20, Tay 20, Plan Mosh, Rachel 20 and get 20%. Again, lots of foiled. 3 sets of foil headers. This is a complete package. I really loved when I was using this the first time Sadie's full kit. I've used a B6 kits a lot. So Those were also very good and economical, but the full kits, it's like a game changer. Like if you don't want any other shops, this will be enough for you to do a basic setup. So this is the 2 kits that I picked up, and let's go through the beautiful planner. It was very nicely packaged. It will be kept still in the box because I will be using it only next year. It has a proper good coil. It's not like the Erin Condren, but as good as the coil is very good. Look at the gold color. This was a metallic 2021. So what I plan is this 2021, I might just remove it and put this in one of my Erin Condrens. I might just put the cover, this one in that, and then once I get my new cover, till then this cover will be here. So the first page looks like this. This planner belongs to whoever, Sadie Sticker Planner, undated. I think she's coming up with a dated planner also. So for next year, if I want, maybe I might pick up a dated one as well. And look at the beautiful, I love the font. It shows you 2021 and 2022. I think this font is from Letters to Apollo. That's another shop I want to try. It has again 12 boxes. You can use it for whatever purpose. Since it's a memory planner, I'm not sure what I'm going to use it. Maybe a memory a day, or the best memory for that month. Yeah, so this will be for my 2022. Again, it has tabs. See, I forgot to put it has tabs. I forgot to get the tabs for the month. So anyway, again, I still have time. Comes with a blank page, and then it's plain. Plain means nothing at all. The quality of the paper is very good. It feels like if you stick something and if you rip it off, it will not be ripped. So good quality. It's blank. Monthly spreads can be beautifully put. From Jan of 2022, I would be starting memory planning in this. I hope 2022 will be amazing. Again, it has all this 12 months. Will be an amazing year. This year has been the hardest year for me since I lost my mom, and it's been a little very hard. But yeah, 2022 is going to be a good year, I pray. And then you have some dot grid, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 dot grid pages for whatever 9 10 11, around 12 pages you can write on for anything, and then at the end it ends. And it's all, again, this planner is also detachable. It comes out and goes in very easily. So this will be one of my old 2021 planners, Erin Condren's. I'm going to put it. So that's it. Thank you so much again for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I've had massive hauls from Sadie's previously. Do watch those hauls. It's all in my planner sticker haul playlist. You can watch it and enjoy it. Thank you again for your time, and I really appreciate each one of you. I will be soon having a giveaway in my channel. I'm waiting for Harriet Wright Design shops to open. Once the shop opens, I'm going to have 220 pounds gift voucher from her shop, e-gift card. So 2 of my subscribers who are following me, one for Instagram and one for YouTube, I would be just sharing with you guys. Maybe it's during my daughter's birthday week, that is 3rd of August is her birthday. So please stay tuned. Thank you again for taking the time to watch my video. God bless.